Hey, this is Motell Granted the Great on Thank God again. But this particular episode, I want to say that sex is better than a lot of things. But what I would love is for you guys to send me a comment and tell me something that sex is better there. But try to keep it as clean as possible. Just out of respect for the game, respect for people. So let's see how creative you can be, getting your point across and explaining. I'm putting you in the game now. How something that sex is better than, or either sex is not better than, or if sex is even with something. But let me see how creative you guys are. Much respect. Love y'all.